Hello, good morning everyone. Today I just want to share my um, recipe where I used to do my own medicine. When there is that time there is a lot of coronavirus, I used to do this medicine and take it, and we'll be drinking it. When we go outside, we come back, we cook this and drink it. It's very nice, very medicinal, very vitamin, everything you can think of is there. So that's why I said let me show you guys, so that if you're having any symptom or if you feel like you can make it and be drinking it. It doesn't have any harm. It doesn't you don't have any problem when you drink it. You look like you're drinking tea. Even if you like wine, because after cooking this it will look like wine. Even if you like wine and you always drinking wine, you like too much alcohol, you don't know how to stop it, you can be cooking this and be taking it as wine. Nothing different. You won't know it's not wine. It look like wine, but it's when you drink it, you see it's not wine, but it look like wine. In the glass, when you put it in the glass, it look like wine. So I said let me show you guys, so that maybe it can help. It can help. I use this thing on my children take it, we take it. Even if they have cough, I will give them this. The cough will clear. Sometimes after cooking it, I will take the water out and put it in a plastic something and put in the fridge. Whenever we want it, we go and take it and warm it and drink. So how we do it then is how we're doing it is when after cooking it, we take out the one we want to drink, then the other one we leave it in the pot. We leave it in the pot. Then we get a bonic balm, and put it inside and cook it, so it's gonna be hot. And put it in the pot and cook it, so it's gonna be hot. Then we put our face and cover our head on it. The thing will be going inside your nose, your mouth. After that, you will feel heat and everything. So if you have any symptom or any sickness, cough, headache, everything is gonna clear immediately. So that time there is a coronavirus, a lot of coronavirus. I used to do this whenever we go out, we come back, we cook it, we do the same thing. We cook it and leave it. Sometimes we leave it in the pot there, like 1 week. We'll be using it like 1 week. Before then we throw it away and cook another one. But the one we are drinking, we're gonna take it out and put it in the fridge. If you want it, you warm it and drink. Sometimes we put a balm in the one we want to drink. If you like, we put balm inside and warm them together. Then we drink it. It's very, very good. So maybe if you can try them, it's very nice. Nothing harm there. This is orange, you can see. Orange. This is lemon or Roman classic in our native language. This is driving test. Yeah, make one video. So is what I'm saying now. You do this, so you'll be taking it, drinking it. There is vitamin there. There is everything you can think of is there. So it's how it works. So now I want to cook them. This is orange. This is lemon. Ranunculus lime. You can put lime. See, the lime is here. So this is garlic. Ginger, not garlic. This is ginger. This is garlic. You cut them pieces. I put carrot to see carrot here. I put carrot. I put onions. Onions is there. lemon. Now you see this one I put it in here. So this is back orange is there, and the other oranges is there. So now I'm gonna be putting them into this pot. I put them into this pot. After putting them, cook them. You cook them, put water and cook them. Yeah. Later I'll show you how the water looks like. If it's in the glass, you won't believe. You will think it's wine. After putting it in this pot, you just wash this thing up. Wash them up and cut it. Don't remove anything. Just cut all of them pieces. After cutting all of them pieces, you put it in the pot. All this thing I put. You put it in the pot and put water and cook them. You cook them like 10 minutes. Everything is okay. You just off the cooker or bring them down and let it get cold before you can drink it when you're not cold. But if you're cold, you put it in the gallon you want to put it, or anything you want to put it there. Put it then put in the fridge and be taking it. Just you can take it half glass or full glass, anyhow you want it. Take it and you open it. You put what inside. Put it in the pot. Cover it. Cover it. And put it in on. You can see it. How it's boiling. Do you see that? So this is what I got in there. This is what I got. I'm gonna put it on the white glass cup because it's still hot. So when it's completely cold, I'll put it on the glass cup. So now I'm gonna off it now and leave it on the fire to get cold. Let's try and see. You can see it here. Okay. You can see it in the glass cup how it looks. See, when it's got cold, it just drink it. It's very lovely. So how you look like. See, look like one. Look like one. If you want it to look this color, you have to put red onions. The red onions, I think it's the red onion that make it look like this. So, okay, see you then, bye.